Alright, so here I am. I'm showing everybody how to make a hollow core door a solid core door. So what you do is you take and sporadically drill holes about 3/16 to a 1/4 inch bit, just through the first part. The way I like to do it is I like to land not on the wood grain. That way when it's painted, you won't never see it. So then you take you some good old great stuff. Buy it Home Depot or Walmart, whatever. About $3 a can down here in Florida. And then you're going to pump it full. You want to use about a can on a door. I've already done the upper half. And what this does when it expands, it will make this a solid core door. I'm going to swing it back and forth, kind of pump it all up in there. The more the better. Ooh, that one's full. That one's already full. Wow. Okay. That's full because of the top. So what you do is then you come about here. There's another one. Yep, see that's still hollow. And let's say one right here. Okay. Go ahead and use the last little bit of this. When this is all dry, just sand that off or cut it off after it's dry, and then putty over it, caulk over it, whatever, and paint the door. You'll never know. For $3, you can make a solid core door out of a hollow core door. This works on any door pretty much. Thank you. And that's about all I got on this episode.